Hello, YouTube friends. Randy here with We Crafty Creations, and I'm here to answer a question from one of our followers. I haven't made a video in detail about this, so I figured this will be a good time since this question got asked. So this is about downloading your Etsy listings and then getting them imported over to Goimagine. So first of all, there is a help page on this in the Goimagine Support Center. If you just go to help.goimagine.com, I searched for the word Etsy and this came up immediately. And it does tell you here, Goimagine is happy to do an initial import of your products from your Etsy shop into the Goimagine shop. If you'd like us to import your listings, just email us the CVS file basically at support@goimagine.com and tell us your details and we'll import them for you. I think this is worded this way because they don't want people taking advantage. I've done several imports personally, so I don't think they want to get constant requests for more imports. It's kind of a one-time thing when you first start at Goimagine. So if you are doing that, I recommend going this route. This is going to save you a lot of time. They know exactly what they're doing, and that's going to really help you a lot. But if for any reason that doesn't work for you, or you really want to do it yourself, or you're doing this like me where you've done it more than once before already, then go ahead and keep watching this video. So when you scroll down a little bit further, there's actually a Goimagine video here that walks through everything. I'll be honest with you, when I started to watch this, I realized I really can't see it. And I did open it in YouTube and everything, and I can't see it very well. I can hear it very well, and it's very clear on what you're supposed to do, but it's very washed out. It's kind of strange. So, it's helpful, but it might be confusing for some of y'all. So we'll just go over from step one and so on. You go to your Etsy shop, you go into settings, and then you click options, and then you click download data up here with these different options. And that takes you to the very first option here, currently for sale listings. So if one of your listings is not active, it won't be on this list. You have to make it active in Etsy first before you can get it on this list. So you click here and it downloads, and I already downloaded mine, and there was a big long list of 100 items, or however many listings I have at the moment, and I went and picked one that I know I don't have on Goimagine. It's this mermaid tail ornament. So I chose that item, and I deleted all the rest. So I just went through like this and right-clicked and delete, and that got rid of all those other rows, and then I was able to get this one pulled up to the top. It's completely up to you. If you want to move everything over, then you don't need to worry about that. And then you need to keep this top line here that has each of the columns or rows. I think they're considered rows, the description of each of those items. And then what you need to do is there's a few that we need to delete in here. One of them is the currency code. So you just go up to the top, right click, delete. And then one is the materials, same thing. And then when we get over to the variations, we need to get rid of all of the variations. There's not options for us to move those from Goimagine over. And then we need to make one more additional column or row here, and that one is status. I think it needs to be all capital. It might not be that important. And the status needs to be capital D. And so if you have a whole bunch, then you're going to be doing this down the row. I mean, you can just drag this and do a whole bunch. So, you want to make sure it's all filled out like that. And once we've got all of that done, then we just want to save it. Just going to save it to my desktop real quick. And then we're going to go into our Goimagine dashboard. And I don't know about using the new dashboard for this at all. I would recommend the old dashboard because I have no idea. And then you go up to administration right here, and then import data, and then products. So you click that, and we're already here because I already put myself here. These are all the times that I have imported products in the past. So a few times. So we're just going to go over here and do add. And then we're going to click upload image/file. That's the file that I just saved to my desktop. And we're going to hit create. And now it opens up this option for field mapping. And here we need to basically tell Goimagine what these columns mean for their setup. So title is the same as page title. Description is description. Price is price, not list price, but just this regular price one. Quantity is quantity, and if you just start typing in a letter here, it should pull up the closest thing to it. So tags are called keywords, search words or search keywords, and then image 1 is going to be this advanced import images. And then we're going to click that on every single one, and I'm just typing ADV and it's pulling it right up. Product ID, and then status is status. So for the most part, it's pretty straightforward and you can kind of figure it out, but you want to fill out all of those things and then you're going to click import. And this will take a long time if you have a lot of products and a lot of images. The more data that it needs to process there, the longer it's going to take. This is just one product, but there are 10 images, so it might take a second still. And then I don't know why this pops up orange and pink, all looking bad, but it does say data is imported successfully, new objects 1. So then if we go over to our products, the new product should be there. It's probably at the very bottom. Yep. So there it is, and it's kind of grayed out because it's not active right now. It's disabled, which is good because you still need to do some things with it to make it look great. So we're going to go into edit, and then we're just going to need to review this and make sure that nothing's missing. You need to check for categories. You need to make sure there's nothing about Etsy in there. Like in my description, a lot of mine will say, this says, check out more of our magnets and signs, Etsy, whatever. You know, I don't want this thing here at all. I want to put a Goimagine link right there. And I just want to make sure, you know, that I am happy with the way everything looks before I actually make this an active product. But this, for doing one product, it's not really worth it, to be honest. But if you're doing this for a group of at least 5 products, it really is worth it, pulling everything over the way it does. There is a possibility it won't pull all of the photos over, or it might not pull them over properly. So you want to double check that, make sure that works out okay for you. But otherwise, that is about it. So I just want to take a moment and thank our follower for leaving this question. It was Beanie Things 7072. It's the one who asked this question and prompted me to just go ahead and make a quick video and help out anybody who's having trouble with the imports. But like I said, if you're new to Goimagine, just choose this option where you send them your CVS file to support@goimagine.com, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and headache and have them do it all for you at once. And maybe in the future they'll do that even for us shops who've done it before, and they'll just start charging something. I think they should just charge us a $5 or $10 fee and, you know, ask them to do it for us, and that would be awesome. So just my 2 cents. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this helpful or interesting in some way. If you did, please leave me a little thumbs up on there, and make sure to follow us for more Goimagine information. We'll be putting out videos at least once a week from here until September at least. Once we get to the holiday season, I can't promise anything, but I'll definitely be replying to everyone's messages. Thank you.